Hello darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again, because a vision softly creeping left its seat while I was sleeping. And the vision that was planted in my brain still remains in the sound of silence. In restless dreams I walked alone, narrow streets of cobblestone, neath the halo of a street lamp. I turned my collar to the cold and down. When my eyes were stabbed by the flash of a neon lamp, split the night, touch the sound of silence. And in the naked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more, people talking without speaking, people hearing without listening, people writing songs that voices could never share. No one dares disturb the sound of silence. For said I, you do not know, silence like a cancer grows. Hear my words that I might teach you, take my arms that I might reach you. But my words like silent raindrops fell in the wells of silence. And the people bowed and prayed to the neon god they made. And the sign fleshed out its warning to the people it was warning. It said the words of the prophets are written on the subway walls, tenement halls, in the sound of silence.